The first leaks of the Google Pixel 10 are here, and it looks like Google isn't making any big changes this year. Thanks to reliable leaker-owned leaks and Android headlines, we now have CAD-based renders of the Pixel 10. And guess what? It looks almost the same as last year's Pixel 9. One thing that stands out is the new pink color. Google is sticking with its familiar design style, which many people like. Alongside the Pixel 10, we've also seen leaked images of the Pixel 10 Pro and Pixel 10 Pro XL, so we now have an idea of what the full lineup will look like. The Pixel 10 size is almost identical to the Pixel 9. The only difference, it's 0.1 millimeters thicker. That's such a small change that most people won't even notice. The phone keeps its 6.3-inch display, which is a good size for most users, not too big and not too small. The bezels around the screen seem to be the same as last year. Some people were hoping for slimmer bezels, but at least Google kept them symmetrical, which makes the phone look nice. Now, let's talk about the cameras. The leaked images show that the Pixel 10 will have 3 cameras on the back. This is a big upgrade because the base Pixel models usually only have 2 cameras. The camera bump does make the phone thicker, but that's expected. The phone's edges are slightly curved, but still feel flat, making it comfortable to hold. Google is also keeping the matte finish on the sides, which helps with grip. However, they are sticking with their unusual button placement, having the volume buttons below the power button. Some people love it, some don't, but Google isn't changing it. Another interesting detail is the Pixel 10's codename, Frankel. While the design looks the same, we hope Google is making improvements inside. One big rumor is that Google might switch from using Qualcomm's 5G modem to a MediaTek one. This could affect how well the phone connects to networks, but we'll have to wait for official details to know for sure. The Pixel 10 isn't launching alone. It will be part of a lineup with the Pixel 10 Pro and Pixel 10 Pro XL. These phones will compete with Samsung's Galaxy S25 and Apple's iPhone 16, and maybe even the iPhone 17 by the time the Pixel 10 comes out. Speaking of competition, let's look at what other companies are doing. Samsung's Galaxy S25 hasn't brought many hardware changes this year. Instead, Samsung is focusing on AI features. Many fans were expecting more. Apple promised big things with Apple Intelligence in the iPhone 16, but delayed it, which disappointed many users. This could be Google's chance to stand out. If the Pixel 10 brings meaningful improvements, especially in AI and software, it could be a serious competitor. But since the design looks mostly unchanged, some people might not be too excited. One big question remains, will there be a Pixel 10 Pro Fold? Google introduced its first foldable phone last year, but so far there are no leaks about a new one. Will Google compete with the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7? We'll have to wait and see. The Pixel 10 series is expected to launch in August 2025. We still have time before all the details are revealed. As more leaks come out, we'll get a better idea of what Google has planned. For now, it seems like Google is playing it safe, at least with the design. But will the software bring something new? We'll find out soon. What are your thoughts? Are you excited about the Pixel 10, or do you wish Google had changed more? Let me know in the comments.